up, YouTube? It's your girl C
and Sage,
and we're back for another mukbang. This time we have
burgers and fries.
Yes, and for drinks we have Kool-Aid. We always have Kool-Aid, so
Kool-Aid. And we have. Well, I have ketchup right here.
Oh yeah, for sauces, and then I have sriracha.
So
and I have. What's on your burger?
On my burger, on my burger, I kind of with the bun. So basically, what happened is I have tomato and mustard on the bottom of. Well, I have mustard on the top and the bottom of my bun, but then I have tomato on the bottom of one of them, and then I have tomato on the top of the other one.
Yeah. And you have straight French fries.
Oh yeah, I have the regular French fries.
And then I have curly French fries. And then on my burger, I have ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato. So yeah, we're gonna pray and we're gonna get into it. Amen. And so yeah, just get right to it.
So first of all, I'm gonna take these off.
What do you mean?
Remember, because we
don't have to. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one.
So, how have you guys' day been? For us today, it was a snow day. So, we haven't really been doing anything. Well, snow day. It didn't really snow. It kind of like, it was more like a freezing rain.
More like slushy.
Yeah, it's slushy. So basically, there was just a lot of ice and whatnot on the ground, and yeah, there was a lot of ice on the ground. So they canceled school.
Look, you guys, move your face. It's not gonna focus. You gotta move your face.
It's gotta focus.
No, it's not. You see it, guys? Very delicious.
I'm back.
Okay. I'm gonna put some sriracha.
I'm back.
Oops.
Anyways. Oh my goodness. Well, there's that. Well, you guys. It's been fun.
So you guys, on this Conjoin channel, I think we should do a sister tag. I just need to know what y'all want us to do. I don't know, it's stuck.
Right. Because, okay.
Mukbang.
So this could either be
boring.
A strictly mukbang channel, and y'all can just watch us eat the whole time, or we can do mukbangs and other things like challenges and tags and so forth and so on. So yeah, it's up to you guys. So just make sure that you comment down below and let us know what is up. Ooh, yes. I, for one, am extremely hungry. So, if I don't talk much, that is why.
But yeah, you guys, we need to start having topics to, like, talk about. Because sometimes we just be talking about anything.
Big facts, big facts.
But yeah, since we didn't have school because it was a snow day, what do y'all do on snow days? We just
sit in the house.
Right.
Sit in the house. Well, I studied a little bit because I actually thought that we were gonna have school today, and yeah, I actually thought we were gonna have school today, but I thought we were gonna have school today, Cause it wasn't snowing, and I thought it was gonna snow because the forecast called for it to actually like snow.
Ow! I touched you.
But anyways, yeah. So they were calling for it to actually like snow, but it didn't snow as bad as it did last time. It didn't even come close to snowing as bad as it did last time. So yeah.
There we go. It's getting a little heat.
So yeah, like she said, just let us know what you guys do on your snow days. Hopefully you guys actually get active and go outside.
Right.
Unlike us. So
It's not that we can't, we just don't want to.
I'm an inside person.
I'm not. No, it just isn't for us.
Well, don't get me wrong. I love the winter. It was the season that I was born in. However,
But fall.
going outside is not my favorite activity. It never has been.
But what is your favorite activity?
Reading. Reading. And writing profusely throughout the day. My favorite activity. Great.
This isn't it.
You gotta love it.
Ooh,
It builds
baby.
character. Will you
I think
calm
it-
down? It's just getting hot.
No, it was my. Oh. Not gonna catch on fire.
Girl. I hope not.
Oh, that's hot.
Anyways. What else? So, if you guys did not have a snow day, as unfortunate as that may be, if you guys did not have a snow day, tell us how your day went. Tell us how your day went and tell us how school was if you're in school.
Right. And
Or
what
your
is
birthday.
your favorite subject? That's a good question. What's yours? English.
Okay, so actually, my favorite subject is not English. I know I just said that my favorite activity is reading and writing, but English is not my favorite subject. Only because my teachers sucked. And they literally, they did too much. That's all I'm saying. They did too much. When I was in middle school, and basically, they was trying to play me like I didn't do my work or anything. But I was one of the best writers in the class. So, anyways, I digress. But that long-winded answer is to say that my favorite subject is math. Great subject. 10 out of 10. But science, that's a bad subject. That's a bad subject.
Science and math go hand in hand.
I know that. It's just not the business. That ain't it. Chief called me yesterday, and he was like, science ain't it. Period. Period. I just can't.
Our burgers are medium well. Right?
They're cooked.
These are
That's all I
hot.
know. They're cooked.
I'm not letting these get hard. How I let the shorts get hard.
Oh yeah. That was.
If you haven't seen our seafood boil, you need to. Need your burger a little warm.
My burger was warm. It was hot under the bottom.
French fries gonna be hot too.
I know. I need to mix them up. Are you good?
Excuse me.
Did it go down the wrong windpipe?
So. Okay, now. That's not funny. Okay. And reason. But yeah, you guys. Fries. Awkward silence. Cricket, cricket.
Okay. Anyways.
Forget that french fry. It wasn't even worth it anyway.
I sure won't. Okay. So I have a question. So, since we told you guys what we have on our burgers, if you guys out there in the audience eat burgers, because I know that there are some people who are vegetarian, who are vegan and whatnot. So, if you do, in fact, eat burgers.
Or veggie burgers.
Right. So, if you eat burgers, period, you know, at all, if you eat burgers, what do you put on them? Alright, do you put mayonnaise on them? Do you put ketchup on them? Do you put mustard? You know, there's things like pickles and tomatoes and onions. So,
mushroom.
Yeah. There would be pickles on here, but
we didn't get pickles.
I would have loved to have pickles on this. It'd been great. Pickles are like nature's fruit.
Okay, first, you have no ketchup. Okay. And you have mustard on there.
I just have mustard. And
Exactly.
Because I don't like mayonnaise.
Mayo? First, she doesn't have mayo. Then she doesn't have ketchup. She has mustard.
I do have ketchup in my ramen.
But then you want, well, you put it on there.
No.
Okay, then. You have mustard. But then you don't. I mean, and then you want pickles.
I only eat ketchup on my fries. And my meatloaf.
I'm surprised I don't have ranch.
That is the only time I will eat ketchup.
Why?
It's on my meatloaf and my fries. Such a strange assortment of food.
Oops.
But
I got burned in my french fries. Look at that, you guys. Burn.
Well, see, my fries ain't really hot like that. So.
No, I spilled. Scratch.
This burger is great. But yeah, like I said, disclaimer. If I don't talk much, I don't know about her, but I know if I don't talk much, I'm just hungry. Like, extremely hungry. So, forgive me in advance.
You don't eat breakfast.
Okay?
You don't wake up for
But
breakfast.
That's not the point. I'm not a breakfast person.
Not the point either.
That is the point.
You need to be waking up. It's not okay.
Okay? But, like I said, it's not the point.
I thought I turned this off.
Now look, if our fries would have burned, or our burgers would have burned, it would have been your fault.
Oops.
Ain't no oops. Anyway.
A little too much bread. My cheese is very ooey. Oozing is oozing. Stringy. I'm just gonna stop.
Yes. Alright. Oh. So, how many weeks has it been? Like, 2?
From what?
Okay. So, as we're getting into, we're actually almost, we're actually like halfway through January at this point. So, we'll just go ahead and ask how you guys New Year's and stuff went. I'm not sure if we asked this in like a previous
We did.
mukbang or whatever, but I know we asked them
Seafood.
what they did.
We asked them seafood.
Never mind.
Never mind.
But yeah. So since we're halfway through January, anyways. So how did January go for you guys, or how did it start? You know, did you start off 2019 in the right direction? Did you start fulfilling or start working towards fulfilling your New Year's resolutions and whatnot?
This is your first one.
You know, what you thought 2019 was gonna go, or did it not happen the way that you wanted it to happen? Just let us know. I'm very eager to find out. So, yeah. Personally, my 2019 started off great. I'm not the type of person to really make New Year's resolutions. So, the one that I had was to basically, you know, try new things. And that's it. So,
we discussed this inside the taco mukbang.
I know. I'm just saying.
Are you willing to try crawfish with me?
Yeah.
I'm not trying oysters. Or sushi.
Sushi's okay. The one with the crab meat is the best, but sushi's okay.
I want to try the one with shrimpy. Your first time is not cutting it.
Well, stop eating them.
Not cutting it. Oh, which fries do y'all prefer? Straight fries, curly fries, or steak fries? Or crinkle fries?
Steak fries are the best.
Curly.
Okay. Straight fries change lives. It's a known fact.
You just said steak, but then you said straight fries change your life.
Oh. They're both good. They're both really good. They both build character. And, yeah. So.
That one was a little hard.
That right there is why curly fries are not the business.
All french fries get hard. All of them. That one was on the bottom of the griddle when it was hot. Okay, relax. I had to flip them. You guys, should we do ASMR? I was talking to my manager yesterday. We was like, we should do ASMR. For real. We need to do ASMR.
I would love to do ASMR.
It's settled. We're gonna do ASMR one day. And a sister tag you need to do it.
I know I can't keep a straight face during the ASMR though. I cannot.
We just don't have to cut it out.
This is gonna be the most edited. That ASMR video is gonna be heavily edited because I cannot keep a straight face. Save my life. I have a very hard time doing that in any event.
All you have to do is, we don't eat honeycomb. I never had honeycomb. They say it's sweet.
You said that before. Honeycomb? Like actual honey?
Yes, and aloe vera. I cannot eat no aloe vera. I seen it the other day and it stank.
How do you see it and then you say it stinks?
Okay, so she was like, we get break it off her plant and smell it or use it or whatever. And so I touched it and I smelled it and I was like, it just don't smell good. Definitely don't smell like hand sanitizer.
It's good for your hair.
And skin, which I refuse to put that on my face.
You do realize that aloe vera is also a lotion, right?
I don't care. I wasn't putting that on my
put
face.
it on your face.
How you know they didn't have to treat it before that? You have to treat certain things. You don't just eat the whole honeycomb. You gotta take out the wax after you eat it.
I don't know all that.
Well, now you know for when we do ASMR.
I don't know if I want to do it with a honeycomb. Is it crunchy?
Honeycomb? No.
Then what?
Okay, you chew on it. Like, it's honey inside. You chew it. And you take out the wax after you done.
Ew.
You think about it too hard. I'm gonna have to show you.
You guys, y'all don't want to see us do ASMR with honeycomb.
Okay, how about this? We're gonna do it ASMR with honeycomb, aloe vera.
I'd rather do it with
grapes.
aloe vera.
We can freeze grapes.
Ew.
You don't freeze grape in with water, you just freeze it.
Then they be crunchy.
God, you worrisome.
Then they be crunchy.
You so worrisome. You make me crunchy.
Alright guys, so let us know while we're planning this ASMR video, do you want us to do honeycomb?
We do a mixture.
Aloe vera, frozen grapes, or
we can do cereal and stuff like that.
Cereal.
Just put in the comments what you think we should do ASMR with. It can be
anything.
Multiple things like honeycomb with grapes and aloe vera, like stuff. Yeah.
Ew.
It's gonna be my first time doing it. Eating honeycomb and aloe vera.
Ew.
I cannot do it. Aloe vera. It's not gonna work.
And I'm gonna do honeycomb. That just no.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do honeycomb. And it's gonna be our first time trying it on camera too.
Such a bad.
I've yet to meet whoever did ASMR first. I have to call them a genius. Oh, we should do it with an ice cream cone.
Yeah. Ice is melting.
Ice. We need to do an ice ASMR. Like when you make it into a shape.
A shape?
Yeah, so you get the little ice cube makers. They have different shapes. And then you gotta chew it. And it's gonna hurt your teeth.
Okay, well. Ice is different than honeycomb.
I just bit my lip.
I'm gonna have to look that up because I've never heard of anybody. No.
Because you don't be on YouTube looking at the stuff that I look at.
I be on YouTube.
I'm caught up. But you play games. You watch people play games. You watch Nappy.
Yes.
King Nappy. People do a lot of ASMR. You can do ASMR with anything. You can do makeup ASMR. When I like, you get hit the brush
What?
on the microphone,
What?
and they be flipping the brush like, oh, yeah. You gotta whisper.
That's the part that's just gonna make the ASMR for me heavily edited.
You gotta be like, oh yeah.
I just can't keep a straight face. When people whisper, it is so funny. Like,
What?
no, like, have you guys ever played the game Telephone? Where it's like, you're in a line, right? It's a line full of people. The person on the end is told a phrase. And then
I played that before. It was terrible.
and then that person that gets told has to essentially tell everybody else, and then that person has to tell the next person, and then the next person has to tell the person next to them. Basically, it has to go on all the way till it makes it to the end of the line. And then when the last person says it, if it's right, then that means you played the game correctly. If not, then it kind of shows how the communication can get skewed if people aren't paying attention. But basically, it's so funny. Every time I play Telephone, I want to laugh. It just makes the game ineffective, especially since you can only say the phrase one time. I just can't.
Honeycomb.
Can't.
It's just whispering.
That looks gross.
And you need to stop turning off my subtitles. I did not mean to say that, but like for real.
Okay, y'all. So check this out. For Netflix, right? We have a joint account for Netflix. And tell me why. Tell me why. This girl over here will look at the video, right? Like, no, she'll look at the show or the movie, right? But she'll put on subtitles. For why? If you're looking at it. No. I'm the type of person where if there are subtitles on the screen, I'm going to pay more attention to the subtitles than I am the actual movie or show that I'm watching. And that's not good. I want to pay attention to the visual, not the...
It's good to do that.
No.
It's easy to picture it however you want to.
That takes the whole point away from the video. Like, it's like, what's the point of having the video, the show, or the movie if you're just going to pay attention to the subtitles the whole time? No. I can't. Absolutely not. So every time that I see there's subtitles on a show that I want to watch, I cut them off.
They're on all of the shows. If you hit them on one show, it's going to be on all of them.
Great. And with that being said, you guys, I think we should wrap it up here.
We had more of the fries than the burgers.
That is big fries. But I mean, they're burgers.
Too much.
So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
Comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to comment those video ideas and those what you want to see in our ASMR videos.
All those different things, and make sure to answer. Pick the question that I asked to answer in the comments below.
Right.
Because we will be reading. We are always watching.
And our separate channels will be inside the description box down below. And have a nice day, you guys. Bye.